Hello, in front of me I've got WUCHANG. In this video I'll show you how to increase level of your skills. In the beginning, make sure you've got enough essence. You can check your essence in the top right corner. Next, go to the Worship and Impetus Repository. With the essence, you can increase your level. In order to do it, select Refine Red Mercury Essence. At the top of the screen you can see your current Red Mercury Essence. With this essence, you can increase the skills of your character. Simply select the skill and confirm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe.